Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be solving Leetcode 179, the largest number. So the problem states, given a list of non-negative integers, arrange them such that they form the largest number and return it. So to understand this, let's take the example. We have 10 and 2. We can form 102 and 210 from this, right? We can form 102 or we can form 210 from this. So among these values, 210 is the largest number. So we return 210. So this is the problem statement and we have to find an optimal solution. To solve this, what we do is, let's just think of this. We make all these numbers as strings because comparing strings is easier, right? Instead of comparing each and every number, we compare them as strings. So we convert all this and put it in a list of strings. So we add all this in the string. Let's call this strings. And then what we do, we sort this string. So sorting this will actually sort it in lexicographical order, right? So we sort it in descending order. We actually use custom comparator to sort this. So the custom comparator will look like S1, and then we concatenate it so that it means we need to add this up. First is 10 plus 2, then it's 2 plus 10. We compare it with S1 plus S2. So this will give us the sorted string, right? So this will give us the sorted strings. Then we iterate this string and concatenate and add everything in the string builder to find out the answer. So this will be my string builder. What I do, I traverse the strings, I add everything to the string builder, and I return the value. So this will be the intuition of how to solve this problem. So I'll be sharing the code of how to solve this problem. We have a string, we have an array, we have a list of strings. So initially we will traverse all the number, we traverse all the nums and convert it into a string and add it into the strings variable. Then we sort it. Then we have an edge case where if all the numbers in nums is zero, that means we just have to return zero, right? So that's what it is. We did not return like this. So if we return like this, it's the wrong answer. We have to return it as zero. So that's what it is, right? And then we have string builder. We traverse the strings, we add it to the string builder, and then we return the strings. So now let's talk about the time complexity. The time complexity is here, it becomes O of n. Here it's in log n, as I mentioned here. And since we are using custom comparator, it will take log m time because we are concatenating, right? So this will take log m. So the overall time complexity of this operation is n log n plus m. Then we have this which will take O of n. So the highest degree would be this. So the time complexity will be n log n plus m. And then if we take the space complexity, we are just storing here, which will be O of n, right? Which will be O of n. And here it will be k, O of k, right? Because we are adding all the strings to a single variable. So the time complexity will be O of n plus k. So yeah, folks, that's it for today. If you did understand this problem, just give a like to this video and just subscribe this to this channel. Thanks. See you in the next video. Goodbye.